Hello dear students, in the previous video we had discussed about ordering of numbers, and comparison of numbers. Now we will discuss about successor and predecessor of numbers. Successor, as for example, numbers 9 and 10 are given. Successor of 10 is 11, means 10 plus 1, and successor of 9 is 9 plus 1, 10. Successor of 9 is 10 and successor of 10 is 11. So we can define the successor. The number that comes just after a particular number. The number that comes just after a particular number, 10 is particular number and 11 is coming number. So that the number that comes just after a particular number is called successor of that number. 11 is successor of 10 and 10 is successor of 9. 9 is particular number, 10 is particular number. The number that comes just after a particular number is called successor. Successor of that number. As for example, numbers and successor. Of 9, successor of 9 is 10, successor of 10 is 11, successor of 99 is 100, successor of 999 is 1000. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1 and 99 plus 1, 999 plus 1. Successor means to find the successor we add 1. Then predecessor. To find the predecessor, we subtract 1. Means the number that comes just before a particular number. Just before a particular number. The number that comes just before a particular number is called predecessor of that number. As for example, numbers are given here 9, 10, 99 and 999. Just before, so before 9, 8, predecessor. Before 10, 9, before 99, 98, before 999, 998. Means 9 minus 1 and 10 minus 1, 99 minus 1, 999 minus 1. means to find the predecessor we subtract 1 from a particular number. To find predecessor we subtract 1 from a particular number, and to find successor we add 1 in a particular number. Formation of the greatest number. To write the greatest number, we arrange the given digits in descending order. Suppose digits are 9, 8, 0, 5, 6. Even digits are 9, 8, 0, 5 and 6. Then we have to form the greatest number. Greatest number is equal to, first we get the greatest digit 9, 8, then 6, 5, 0. Means we arrange the digits in decreasing order. To write the greatest number, we arrange the digits in decreasing order, and to write the smallest number, we arrange the digits in increasing order. So first write 5, then 0, 6, 8, 9. One more example. Digits are 1, 2, 8 and 9. And 3. Digits are 1, 2, 8, 9 and 3. We have to write the greatest number. Greatest number using these all digits. So first we write 9, then 8, then 3, then 2, then 1. This is the greatest number, and the smallest number 1, 2, 3, 8, 9. 12,389. This is the smallest number, and this is the greatest number 98,321. So students, this type like this we find the successor and predecessor and the greatest number, how to write the greatest number and the smallest number if digits are given. Thank you for watching.